go ahead and say hello to the big males that you guys haven't seen yet. We'll introduce you to them in the second episode, second time. Right now they're being really lazy. Really hot. He's a little retarded. It's Jersey. Nickelback. Pete is over there in the basket. Alien, the stunted little thing. And then the two big guys no one cares about. Danny is that one underneath there, the blonde one. And Willie is underneath the hate. He's still being retarded. Well, I think that's all for today. You guys get to see the beautiful farm, beautiful blue sky. But that's all the film for this week. Till next week, this is Corey Barlow saying goodbye for FBR Studios.